Fenugreek seeds, aka Methi seeds, are rich in iron, vitamins, and protein. Fights dryness, promotes hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, and most of all, thickens hair. These tiny little seeds are what you need to step up your hair game. I remember sharing these videos. A lot of you came up with loads of feedbacks under the posts and on my Instagram. That got me excited, and I decided to share with you this super oil recipe. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dima Okiki and I'm back with another video. I promise you will love this. Please watch to the end. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Most of you come to peep and run without subscribing. Have I wronged you? Kindly subscribe because we are family here. Thank you. To begin, place a pot on low heat and allow to heat up a bit before adding in your carrier oils. First carrier oil that I'm using is sweet almond oil. Next is 100% pure coconut oil. Next is 100% extra virgin olive oil. Next is castor oil. Next is mustard oil. So after adding in the oils, I went ahead and gave this a good mix just to combine. Note, you can use 1/4 cup of each of the carrier oils for this process. Next, I add 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. Remember that fenugreek is like the star of this recipe. I gave that a good mix to combine. Next, I add 2 teaspoons of brahmi powder. I gave that a good mix. Next, I add 2 teaspoons of moringa powder. Please do not forget to check out my other videos on moringa. The link will be on the screen. Moringa is like one of my best herbs. I went ahead and gave this a good mix to combine. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of amla powder. Stir to combine. Next, I add about 2 teaspoons of neem powder. You can skip this as it's optional. Ensure to stir as you go. Do not forget that the pot is on low heat. After adding in all the herbs, bring down the pot and allow to cool completely. Once cool, proceed to add the final ingredients. So my next ingredient is biotin tablets. You can use 3 to 4 tablets depending on the amount of carrier oils used. I will go ahead and crush them and add to the mix. Next is my tea tree essential oil. Feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. I will use about 12 drops for this mix. Next is peppermint oil. After adding in the last ingredients, I will stir this properly to combine. Next, I will transfer the mix in my glass container. Store this in a cool and dark place because moringa is sensitive to heat and light. You can start using this oil as early as 48 hours. You can let this oil infuse for 6 to 8 weeks for best results. You can decant the oil into an applicator bottle whenever you want to use it. Ensure you patch test before use. That's all for this video. I don't intend for it to be lengthy. Please ask me questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.